Hey guys, so it is 92 degrees outside, and with the heat index feels like it's 103. Wow. So summer is here. So it looks like the next 3 days are saying 100 degrees and then 102 on Monday. Alright, I've had so many requests to do another vacuum video, even though it's been such a long time, and I'm sure y'all had noticed I did. I removed all the vacuum videos on my channel because I just got so many negative comments on them. So apparently I just got tired of it. And so, but the only thing that was real good about them, apparently I did get a lot of views on them, so I thought I'd make this video. So this is our vacuum cleaner. It's a Dyson. It's a DC07 pink. Yeah, I know it's a pink one. I'm not very big on pink. But my mother wanted the pink model just to, like donate money for the Susan G. Komen Foundation, which that was definitely my mother did it for a cause. So we've had this vacuum for about almost 6 years. It'll be 6 years in September. So, kind of look underneath of it just to show the specs. I know it's hard to see. It's a 12 amp. It's got a 12 amp motor on it. It's got these little cones here, little cyclones, just to prevent the vacuum from not losing suction no matter how full the canister is. So it does got some stuff in it. I know it's kind of dark. So I vacuumed out the majority of the house, so I thought I'd do this video and I'll vacuum my room. Alright. So let me turn her on. Alright, cool. This vacuum cleaner does turn the carpet pretty good. So yeah. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching.